Creating a vibrant flower can elevate the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space, turning an ordinary yard into a breathtaking oasis. Flower beds serve as the foundation of any garden design, offering a canvas on which you can express your creativity while showcasing the beauty of nature. In this article, we will explore innovative flower bed ideas that not only enhance your landscape, but also contribute to a harmonious decor for your home. One of the most effective ways to create a visually striking flower garden is by incorporating layered flower beds. By arranging plants of varying heights, you can add depth and dimension to your space. Start with taller plants at the back, such as delphiniums or hollyhocks, and gradually transition to medium-height perennials like coneflowers and black-eyed Susans, finishing with low-growing varieties such as marigolds or creeping thyme at the front. This tiered approach not only draws the eye upward, but also creates a lush, full appearance that encourages biodiversity. The color palette of your flower beds plays a crucial role in the overall ambience of your garden. Choose a cohesive color scheme that reflects your personal style and complements your home's exterior. For instance, a monochromatic scheme featuring different shades of blue can create a serene and calming atmosphere, while a vibrant mix of reds, yellows, and oranges can energize the space. Additionally, consider the blooming seasons of your chosen plants to ensure that your flower garden remains vibrant throughout the year. Embrace your creativity by designing themed flower beds that tell a story or evoke a specific mood. For example, a cottage garden theme can be achieved with a mix of romantic plants like roses, foxgloves, and lavender, creating a whimsical and inviting atmosphere. Alternatively, a modern minimalist approach might involve clean lines and a limited palette of striking plants, such as succulents and ornamental grasses. By establishing the theme, you can create a cohesive look that adds character and charm to your outdoor decor. To further enhance the beauty of your flower beds, consider incorporating hardscaping elements such as pathways, borders, and decorative stones. A gravel or brick pathway can guide visitors through your flower garden, allowing them to fully appreciate the layout and design. Additionally, using natural stone or wood to create borders not only delineates the flower beds, but also adds texture and contrast to the overall design. These elements can serve as functional features while also contributing to the aesthetic appeal of your gardening project. To ensure that your flower garden remains a source of joy throughout the seasons, plan for continuous bloom by selecting plants that flower at different times of the year. Spring bulbs like tulips and daffodils can herald the arrival of warmer weather, while summer favorites such as sunflowers and daylilies can maintain the vibrancy of your flower beds. In the fall, consider adding chrysanthemums and asters for a splash of color as the year comes to a close. This approach not only keeps your garden looking fresh and lively, but also invites pollinators and other wildlife to visit throughout the year. With thoughtful planning and creative design, your flower beds can become the centerpiece of your yard, transforming your outdoor space into a stunning flower garden that reflects your unique style. By incorporating layered designs, cohesive color schemes, themed elements, hardscaping features, and seasonal plants, you can create an inviting and aesthetically pleasing environment. Embrace the art of gardening and let your flower beds bloom into a beautiful extension of your home's decor.